everyone, how are you guys doing? Okay, I had a very disgusting art block until now, so I couldn't draw or post anything for this long. And here I am making a poster to welcome my cousin. So this video is not going to be an art tutorial, obviously. So if you guys want to gain some ideas about making a poster in the shortest time possible, you guys can keep watching. I made this poster in a real hurry because I only had 2 hours at my hand, and as you guys can see, I was struggling with the design. I didn't have any idea how I was going to make it, but then I came up with some weird idea and I thought it came out pretty cute, and my cousin really liked it. Since I didn't have much time left, I used a double-sided tape instead of water glue. So you guys can take it as a tip when you are in a hurry or a rush time and you have to make something real quick. So you guys can always use a double-sided tape, because water glues take a lot more time to get dried. So it definitely saved a lot of time. And here I'm making a cute heart-shaped emoji. I messed up a lot while making this emoji, but finally it turned out pretty well and my cousin really liked it. So I take that as a win. And I always make a mistake whenever I'm painting with the color red. I don't know why, but it always happens. Here I used a white colored base underneath the red color, so that the red color looks a lot more brighter on this blue colored poster paper. But I think I should have used a gesso instead of an acrylic paint. And here I didn't have enough time, so I put the red as soon as I was finished with the white color. It was a disaster. It turned out all pink. I had to fix it later and it was saved by me. And here I am adding hands. It really saved the whole emoji. And here I added the eyes and the mouth and finished it with some highlighting, and the whole emoji turned out pretty cute. And I really liked it. My cousin as well liked it very much. Since I didn't have enough time to paint every emojis by my own hand, I just printed them out and colored them. And here I'm giving them a 3D kind of vibe, and that's how I just did everything so quickly. So every emojis that I used in this poster, they all kind of remind me somehow of my cousin, so I used them. And then I finally finished it by writing my sister's name and coloring it.
3, 2, 1!
And this is the final look. I added a little more touch. I'm so sorry I didn't film everything. And here we are going to the airport, and there's my cousin. She really liked it. Thank you so much for watching until now. See you in the next video.